What's going on? Welcome to my server. Welcome back. I'm Levi. This is another adventure. We're here in Panthertown Valley today, which is somewhere that I haven't heard of until recently. I'm here to check it out. I've heard good things about it. I looked it up on All Trails and it seemed like it was pretty cool. A lot of like beautiful landscape out here. You know, you got these like granite domes that like kind of peek out the ridge line, and there's a few waterfalls here, and there's actually one right over here that we're gonna check out. But first, we're missing somebody. We got this guy, and there you go. Now we're both here and we're gonna go check out this waterfall. We finally made it down to Wilderness Falls, and I mean, I wouldn't say that it's like lame, but I definitely wouldn't have hiked down here for this. I mean, like, you kind of see it. It's just like a slide, but I mean, it's beautiful. It's cool. This hike back is pretty freaking steep. I'm not looking forward to it. If I would have known that that's how that waterfall looked, I probably wouldn't have hiked all the way down here. Check it out, because it's not even on the trail that we're coming here to hike. And this hike is actually pretty easy. We're doing a 5.1 mile loop, and it's only got like 800 feet of elevation gain, which isn't bad at all. Considering that the last video that we did in the Limble Gorge, I mean, it had to have been at least 2,000 feet of elevation gain, and we did 7 miles that day, and we didn't have water. But we have plenty of water now. We have plenty of snacks, and it's an easier hike, and it's cooler outside. It's about 60 degrees. It's nice, there's a breeze. So I'm looking forward to today. It's gonna be a good time. Gotta love hiking through these like cool Moody Roll and rhododendron forests. So cool. Caden has changed into shorts. He was wearing jeans, but he brought shorts this time because last time we did the same thing, but we didn't bring shorts, so we rolled our pants up. I'm fine. I'm still wearing my pants. I'm not too hot yet. Amazing little view. And this is what I was talking about. Like, if you see all these like domes, like granite domes are everywhere out here. It's very cool. Such a unique landscape. Beautiful too. And there's like nobody here, just me and Caden. Amazing. Caden is cracking me up. We like literally flew the drone and then he got cold, so he put his pants back on and he put a hoodie on. And we have bad news. If you watched the last video, there was a lot of gnats and they're back. They're not as bad, but they're back. The one just flew right into my ear. And we're out here dodging them. We're out here juking them, trying our best. Look at that. Going into a pine forest. Looks really cool out here. Oh, there's some deer. Oh man, did I miss them? That was sick. Man, this forest is so cool looking. Whoa. I freaking love pine forests. It smells good and it looks cool. And it's just such a vibe. It's completely different than like everywhere else around here. Whoa! This is cool. There's a cool looking waterfall over there. I'm gonna check that out. I ain't trying to slip. I've had my fair share of that. Yeah, that's cool. Nice. Look at this tree. It's alive. Oh my gosh. That's a dead branch. You gotta watch it there. If he falls, he's alright. That's about like 2 feet deep. There you go. Yeah. We have made the executive decision to not finish the loop because we're not even a third of the way through and it's getting pretty dark. The sun's going down and there's a mountain over here called Big Green Mountain, and we're deciding to just go up there for sunset, and it has a good view of the valley and everything. and we're just gonna go up there and then head back, because once it gets dark, there's no point of me filming. I mean, you can't see anything. Well, remember that time that I told you that I was gonna go to the big green mountain? Well, that does not seem like it's gonna happen, just due to the fact that we can't find the trail. All Trails says that the trail exists to get up there, but I mean, there is no trail. So I know that you can access the top of the mountain from the other side, but that's gonna take us a lot longer than we have. Yeah, I mean, we at least got to see a little bit of Panthertown Valley. It's very beautiful here. We are going to come back, and this is just a lesson, you know, this is just like proof that sometimes things don't go as planned. Even when you plan things out, you plan your hike out, things just end up not happening as smoothly as you would hope. But it was still an amazing day, amazing adventure, beautiful location, and I got some miles in. I think this is enough. Oh gosh, dude, I'm about to freaking fall on this. Yeah, I think we're gonna head back to the car, go eat. If you guys enjoyed this video, then you can leave a like, you can subscribe and do all that jazz. Also, if you want to support this channel, I have a link below, and I've made some like merchandise that you can check out. And if you purchase some, it'll really help my channel out. All the profit goes to making videos on this channel. So yeah, here's a video you can watch as well. You can watch that one if you like this one. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Live Cosmic.